Hey, I'm glad you stopped by. Come aboard. I want to show you this brand new Cruisers Yachts. It's a 2024 GLS 42 outboard. This is the new Dolphin Gray, and I really dig the stitching on this. I think you're going to like it. We've got plenty of room back here. Part of that is due to the addition of the fishing package, which honestly gives us a nice place to hang out, but it's also got my cup holders, my rod holders. Check out the 600 Mercuries. These things are awesome. I took her out yesterday. She is a mid-50s boat and chop all day long, and as a luxury boat, that's a lot of fun. So we've got plenty of room coming in. Come on in, I want to show you some things. Now, as far as those engines, don't worry, I've got a flush kit here. All right, I'm going to show you this hardtop sunshade. This is a make fast. It's one touch and it's nice and quiet. I can just hit it and in it comes or out it goes. So come on in, I want to show you the rest. We've got wonderful U-shaped seating here for plenty of people to relax. I've got a nice wet bar here with a grill, 2 fridges. I can put the TV up here. We can watch the game from up here. Part of that fishing package is my live well pump out, which is right there, as well as my portable bait well. But I want to show you a little bit more because there's a lot to see on this boat. So one of my favorite spots is right here, because if I'm hanging out, talking to people, it's really nice and easy. Or this is actually a really fun way to sit when you're running in the boat. But while you're up here, take a look at the helm. This is all touch screen. Your Simrad's up there. She's got autopilot, auto trim, trim tabs, all the technology you're looking for, including the joystick docking. This is all powered by Rockford Fosgate for audio. So while you've got one setup here, I can run my music here. You can run your music down below. Somebody else can be running their music up in the bow. Everything's power here. So I've got power sunroof, power side windows on either side. It makes, well, getting the sun nice, but really when it comes to docking and being able to talk to somebody on either side, that makes a nice big deal. But I've got this huge glass enclosure, so I can be out in any weather I want to be. Yeah, but when the weather's nice, one of the best places to be is up here on the bow. So there are no steps coming through here, so nice easy walk through. I've got, again, U-shaped seating up here. I can have my own music. Somebody else is back there, have theirs. The table goes here. There's 2 stems for it, so I can have a table or I can have a lounger. But it is just a nice place to relax and enjoy the ride. Or if you're anchored up like we are right now, it's a great place to get some sun. So there's a little bit more I want to show you below. So let's do that. All right, well, I wanted to show you down below, but I had to show you the screen. So if I'm working on board, I'm going to probably be down here part of the time, depending, because I've got heat and AC up and down, but I like a little bit of privacy to be down here working. So I'll just open up my workstation. If I was going to watch the television here, I'd be on the other side, but I like looking out the window on the starboard side. This does convert to a berth, so I've got cushions that fall down here. And this whole area can be used for sleeping. It's up to you if you want to bring other people on your boat. My primary sleeping area is in the back. It's a nice midship cabin. I've got plenty of room back there, another television back there. I can just rock slowly in the waves, or if I've got the Seakeeper on, I'm not even going to notice that I'm on a boat. So that's just a really nice area. And then, of course, we've got a full wet head here with the shower, a nice opening porthole, good visibility outside so you don't feel claustrophobic. And this is something that I can either weekend on or just stay aboard or just invite a bunch of people and let's go out and have fun and hang out. So my name is Chris Whitman. I'm with MarineMax Maryland, and I want to get you on board this 2024 Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS outboard.